Alright guys, and now on to the actual unboxing. Sorry about the scenery change or the background change. I actually had to go pick up the package, but all I've done so far is, sorry about the bad angles, but it's kind of ghetto of what I'm working on right now, or working with as a tripod. But I haven't opened anything up. I'll try it this way. So we got this in there. Alrighty, so that's the billing stuff. Little sticker that you get for free. Alright, get this out of the way. Okay, take this out of the package. Alright, beautiful box too. And we got the Ducky bag. Alright, so we got the 1-2 mini on the side there, 1-2 mini there, and then you can see the red switch, white case. I got the white one, then the back, 1-2 mini again. Alright, so let's open this up. This, I believe, yep. Alright, so here it is. We got the dust cover. I recommend actually keeping this just if you don't want dust on your actual keyboard. And back here, we got our cable to actually plug in the keyboard. Good high quality cable. Then we got our keys here. I got the blue. And then we have our keycap puller. And then we have our, see that there? This is a pretty cool spacebar actually. So yeah, put this out of the way. All right, and now I think that's all that's in there. Yep, put that back down, and we can take out the keyboard. And then we have the manual, I believe, just other things on the keyboard. All right, now actually on to the part that or all of you guys are here. Wow, this is very, very, very small. This is a 60% keyboard. So we got the Ducky 1-2 mini on the side there. Oh, just dropped it. You can feel a little bit of bend in it, but it's built very well. And I don't actually have my PC here at the moment, so I will just be using my PS4 to plug this in, which is unfortunate, but I wanted to make this video as soon as possible. Let's actually just turn this on. All right, then we got little plastic stuff here. Just take that off. All right, and then plug. Oh, I think that might put that in the wrong way. Yep. Just like that. All right, set this down, and then we can plug this in. I'm not sure if it'll light up. I'm wondering if I can maybe, give me 1 second here. All right, I'm back. Unfortunately, it will not light up, which sucks, but I mean, I'm sure you guys know what RGB lighting is, but anyways, I want to do a sound test to show you guys what the Arch AMX Silent Red sound like. Spacebar. And then also, wanted to show you, there's other options here. So we got the F keys right up here, and then other options here. I think it's Alt FN T, or I forget how you turn on the RGB. I'll probably have to read more on the manual. But so here is the sound test, and then you can see all the audio is on, or this is the real audio. Alrighty guys, and that is going to conclude the unboxing of the Ducky 1-2 Mini. Fortunately, I couldn't get the RGB in there, unless I was an idiot and I put this in wrong. I think I did. There we go. Never mind. I had it plugged in wrong. So as you can see, very, very vibrant colors. Ducky always does do really, really good when making RGB. This over a little bit. All right. I think now Alt FN T. No. Shoot, I wish I knew what these were, so I could show you the different modes, but I'm sure you guys can just, or wait, maybe it's just FN Alt. Oh yeah, FN Alt. So this is just switches between all the colors, and then we got T. This is raindrop. I believe that's what it's called. That one's pretty cool. This is the wave. So whenever you click a key, it moves over to the side. This is whenever you click a key, it'll change a color every time you click it. This is just the single color. This one's pretty cool. Whoops, I don't think it changed it. All right, and then this one is just all that. This is white. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but this is white. FN Alt. And then this is the breathing mode, so it'll breathe in and breathe out, I believe. Yeah. All right. And this is whirl. And this is no color. But I will be keeping it on rainbow. I mean, most people do, just because rainbow looks the coolest. But yeah, this will conclude the Ducky 1-2 Mini review. These are the MX Cherry Silent Reds. I'll leave a link below down in the description. If you want to check out the one that I got, this is a pure white, obviously. And yeah, and also another note to remember is the Silent Reds will cost an extra $5. They have a lot of other options with the switches, so there's a ton to pick from. Reds will be the most silent, hence the name Silent Red. Blues will be tactile, like clicky. My other Razor, I want to say Black Widow, I think it is greens, or green switches. That one's pretty clicky. But I wanted to go for a more silent keyboard when gaming. So yeah. This will be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And also, this channel won't consist of unboxings. I just wanted to do this just because this was a a video that I had seen, or videos that I was trying to look up that I couldn't find. I know a guy by the name of XXIChris. He did a really good video on this. It's been gaining a lot of popularity over the years. But yeah. All right, I'll see you all you guys hopefully in my next video. Peace out.